So here I am at Whaley near Sunset. It's actually really beautiful here. I don't know if you can see behind me. The trees are lovely. If you have any pets, well, if you have any dogs, you can take any pet here for a walk. I don't know how well it would work for cats. But this is a park that actually welcomes dogs. And I did realize that I had forgotten my bottle of acid, so some of this is going to have to be feigned. Also, forgive the fact that the camera is a little shaky. I am not, there's the camera, I can look at it. Ooh, I can look at you into the camera. Hello out there in the future. I'm going to have to actually like feign having a bottle of acid with me because I left it and I'm honestly just not going to drive back 40 minutes just to grab a bottle of acid. So this is a really great park. It's really pretty this time of year, as you can see. And the first place we are going to head is right over here to this rock. Let's go investigate this rock. Isn't this a nice rock and a big rock? Now, with a wonderful flourish that I can't do right here, I'm going to pull out my imaginary bottle of acid and put a few drops of my imaginary bottle of acid that I should have brought here along on my virtual field trip on this rock right here, and I notice it doesn't fizz. Why is that important? I'm going to take a little Dora the Explorer breather right here and let you think about it. Well, that's relevant because for one thing, it means it's not limestone. And actually, the bedrock around here is limestone. So this big round rock right here must be a what? That is correct. That must be an erratic of some sort. So I am going to let you remind yourself what an erratic is and where it's from. Remember, one of the things we want to do in this field trip is think about two major groups of events. We're going to look for evidence of glaciation, and we're going to look for evidence of a coral reef. So every time I show you some evidence, show you some kind of geologic feature, keep that in mind. Organize it. Is it for one category? Is this for evidence of a coral reef? Or is this for another category? Is this evidence of a glaciation? Now, another thing I'm going to expect you to do in this lab is to be able to identify what kind of beach we're looking at. Now, before we start lab, I'm going to give you a nice little introduction to the different kinds of coasts, emergent and submergent, and what we should expect to see. So when I show you a coast and show you those features, keep that in mind as well. Excuse me, I had a hiccup. So here we have another big, beautiful rock. Hello, beautiful rock. You're so lovely. And with my imaginary bottle of acid. And once again, this rock does not fizz. I wonder why that could be. Let's go deeper in the park and see if we see more evidence of this not so mysterious mystery.